Let's assume you've created your data room and you're ready to share with external visitors. There are two ways you can share your data room, with groups or links. The main difference between the two is, with groups, DocSend will email your visitors on your behalf, whereas with links, you'll need to copy and paste the link and send it out yourself. In this video, we will cover group sharing, but if you need to share your data room through a method other than email, you'll want to watch our link sharing tutorial. Now let's walk through how to set up a group. To begin, navigate to the Spaces tab on the left side panel and select the data room you'd like to share. First, we'll click the caret to the right of the Share button and select New Group. I'll then name the group. I can then decide what permissions I'd like to require across the entire data room. If you'd like to set file and folder level permissions, we'll cover that later. Now that the group has been created, let's set granular permissions at the folder and file level. To do this, I'll click the lock icon here. At this point, I can customize permissions for specific files and folders. For example, I'd like to add watermarking to all files within the Financials folder. And I'd also like to allow visitors to download the About Us file. Now I'd like to preview the group as a visitor. If you wanted to go through your visitor's true experience and walk through the steps of signing the NDA and authenticating your email, you can do this within Incognito window. But for this example, I'll show you how to view your data room with the preview option. This can be done by clicking the preview icon here. You can see that the visitor would be prompted to sign a non-disclosure agreement. I'll go ahead and bypass this step since I'm viewing through preview. And as you can see, I'm able to download the About Us document, and one of the documents is not visible here since I hid it. Everything is looking good, so I'm going to close the preview and now invite people to my data room. First, we'll add their email addresses. You can add as many email addresses as you want, as well as an optional message. And once you click Invite, an email will be sent to the visitors. They'll receive an email that looks something like this. They'll be brought to the data room and be prompted to sign a non-disclosure agreement as well as authenticate their email address. Once this is done, they'll be brought back to the data room. Here you can see how easy it is to create a group, set granular permissions, and share with your visitors. If you'd like to learn how to share using links, check out our link sharing tutorial.